Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make the Starfruit Jam in Heartopia for the Call of Whales Fashionwave event. So you'll need to actually make it in your house, like in the regular stove. I don't know how I said in your house. Go to Mix Jam and substitute the blueberry with the starfruit like this. And it is for one of the recipes. It's for the grilled cuttlefish with starfruit jam, I think. And then once you've unlocked that, you'll be able to cook a lot of the Starfruit Jam. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!